Welcome back to the Beef and Barnzy channel. Real talk reviews, this time with the Storm Level. We got something new for you here. RPM cover, regenerative polymer matrix. Got it right this time. 259027. This is supposed to be the new urethane. Well, we're going to put it through the paces and find out. It absorbs oil though, so it's not actually urethane, which means it is 73 hardness. And we're bowling on the Cheetah. So I'm not going to throw extra shots today. We're just going to get out here and go. That's left. As you can see, it's a short pattern. Don't miss left.
It is on Cheetah.
1000 grit finish on this. Smells like grapple, if that matters to you. I don't know. But one of the things you can see is the oil is already absorbing even as we talk. So it's slow, but it's not like urethane where it just stays there the whole time. So that's a 4-inch pin for me. So we got 4 by 6 by 2, 1.5, I believe. So tried to get it to flare a little, but didn't want to go crazy. Didn't really know what this one was going to do, but
Yeah.
So 4 by 6 by 2. That might not make it. I had Ryan and I both threw some shots with both the IQ78, which we'll throw here in a minute, and this ball so we can help carry it down. I think that'll help show the differences the most, good or bad. And like I said, this being brand new, you're going to learn with us. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Barnzy Bowling had a video up, family little Baker match here in the last couple days. I'm going to move a couple left. Well, the good news is it hooked in the oil. I don't know. I never know quite what to think when we, historically we've had balls that were not urethane, like urethane-like, but not urethane. Wasn't a fan. So pretty skeptical. Have got to throw this one a little bit. We'll get firmer. We'll give him a little bit more of the heater. Not unusual.
Still got it.
Yeah. As you can see, we're here at the ITRC, so this is about as good a replication as we can get. They use fire here most of the time, something that hooks a little bit more on this pro lane surface. And so this Cheetah, it probably hooks a little bit more. Probably move left and hook it and see if it hydroplanes in the oil or not. Say it's a little bit quicker, I guess, than maybe urethane, quote unquote, pure urethane is. We'll try and throw the pitch black also in this one, but why don't we just get into it? We can see what it really is. So very similar, 4-inch by, it's probably 5 by 2 also. So throw it from the same spot as the shot before, and let's see what we got. Well, it appears we have a ball that hooks a little bit more. Let's grab some adjustment. Well, 500 pad. and it picked up more, but even up fresh 500, it still went and then backed up. So, just for context, even without wiping this off, let's see what happens. So even without wiping the oil off, you still see it continue through that shape better than the IQ78 for sure. I'm gonna grab my pitch black real quick. All right, we'll grab the pitch black. Let's see what this looks like, as this was kind of our standard before. Earlier, more continuous motion where the IQ78 was kind of a little sharper and then a little more responsive to the oil down lane. Pitch black went through it, but did not hook as nearly as much as the level did. So one more shot with that. A little slower. All right, moved right, moved to 20 that time. We'll use the level this time and see what we got. Same spot as the pitch black. And a little more overall, but we're way closer to the pitch black than we are the IQ78. So with that, let's go ahead and move left, and then we'll see what it looks like down lane with some more oil down there.
Ooh, sorry.
You can move like 5 further left, get slower, try and get to push into the oil. It's still a little more shape than an average urethane ball, I would say, but let's throw the IQ78 from there and see what happens. Because ultimately, that's what we're testing it up against for the PBA Tour anyway.
Cameraman's on it.
I know it, right?
I'll make sure to wipe the oil off that one.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely all of it. Scrub. Okay, same spot. Soften up. All right. Well, level 257, 259, 027. Regenerative polymer matrix. New cover, urethane like. Certainly more than that was down lane with some oil. Looks like we have an opportunity to level up our urethane play on the PBA Tour this year. Check out more Real Talk reviews, Beef and BArnzy channel. Like, subscribe, check out BArnzy Bowling if you want to watch some more entertaining videos. And as always, BArnzy 10, go to coolwork.com if you like any of the jerseys we wear here. See you next time.